Welcome to the Crafty Book Nook. Today's book is Tacky the Penguin. My pre-K class loves this book. It's an older book, but let me tell you, the story is wonderful. Tacky is a penguin who just does not fit in with the other penguins. He's a little bit loud, he's off key, he's a little bit of a slob, and he just doesn't fit in, and the other penguins don't really care for him until some hunters come, and they discover that Tacky is not exactly the kind of penguin that they thought they were going to get. And this was the first book. There are a whole series of Tacky's adventures, and what we're going to do today to have fun with Tacky is we're going to use these wooden pegs. Now, I've used these wooden pegs for quite a few different projects. I have made nativity scenes with them, and let's see, 1, 2, 3. We're going to make penguins. I'm going to make some small penguins out of these, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little play set for my pre-K class for when we do penguins and we read the book. I'm going to make 5 of the perfect little penguins and then 1 for Tacky. I do have a list in my in the description. It is a link to Amazon, and I do get a commission from these. So what I'm going to do first is first thing, I'm going to take my rings off so that I do not get paint on them. And I'm just going to use a sponge, and this is just white acrylic paint. And I am going to, I'm just going to paint a real quick, just the front, because they're going to be black on the back. So I'm not too worried about getting, all the way around. Now, one thing with painting on these wooden pegs, they soak up the paint. They are very porous, and I had to make sure I was recording, and wouldn't be the first time I forgot to hit record. And so so it does not take long, even with the wet paint like this. I'm also going to be using some Posca markers, but really just one. I'm just going to use one for the beak. I thought that might be easier than trying to paint a little beak on there, and I like to be efficient. So we're just going to paint the face, the front part of these. That's going to be the face of our penguins, and just get them done. And then we're going to go back with black with a little bit more care to paint those penguins there. They're, very noticeable trademark tuxedo attire that they wear. Now, do you have to make as many? No, you don't. You do not have to make 6 penguins. I'm a bit extra when it comes to making things for my class. So, but I do love, I love Tacky the Penguin. My class loves Tacky the Penguin. They like all of the stories. So, in January is when we do, Arctic animals and penguins and polar bears. Well, all of the fun winter animals, we're doing those. And penguins are on the list. And every year I read that book, Tacky the Penguin, and the kids love it. It's just a fun book. So there, we've got those painted. Now I'm just using the apple barrel. This is just real simple. It's a really simple activity. Now, if you want your kids, like kids, older kids, definitely, you could definitely let your kids make their own penguins. But we're just going to paint, and I'm going to do one, and then magically, we're going to come back and they're all going to be done. But we're just going to show you one. One thing I think to note with the penguins is, their little heart-shaped face that they have, right here. Now, I do have acrylic markers, so if I don't like on my edges here, if I don't like the way they look, I will probably go in and tighten up those lines with an acrylic marker. But you don't have to. You do what you want to do. I want it to be a little bit more defined there, okay? And then I'm just going to turn him over, and we're going to paint the back of him right here. And we're already almost done. If you can already tell how fast that acrylic paint is already drying on there. It really is a fast little little project that you can definitely get done within an hour. It should not take that long to get them all done. And then I'm going to set him off to the side to dry and do the other ones. Right, now I saved this one for last. I used now this is a Graby acrylic marker. Now, if you notice, it's got a really good fine point on it, which I love. And I used it to just kind of clean up my edges here where it kind of helped. But this is what I like about it. Let me give it a good shake. I like the fine point on it, especially when you're working with something small like this. We're just going to use this one for the eyes. Oops. He's a little bit of a sleepy little penguin. There we go. And then I used my orange Posca marker just to put in a teeny tiny beak. There you go. So now you have made all of the penguins to go with Tacky the Penguin. My class will play with these and hopefully enjoy them. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, all the things, and I'll see you next time.